friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video I'll be doing the Higher Blaster review on the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, the Poco X3 has the Higher Blaster on the top here, and Poco and the Redmi phones are only the phones which are maintaining the Higher Blaster for the past few years, so which I am very big fan of using this Higher Blaster. So definitely friends, if you're first time using this Higher Blaster smartphone, you should definitely watch till end of the video how much it is useful in everyday life to connect different TV, AC projectors and other accessories as well. So right now I'll try to demonstrate you how to set up the Higher Blaster in the Poco X3 device. So right now I'll be using my current room air conditioner. So now let me try to delete this one and start from the beginning to make sure that you follow exactly as it is. So as soon as you open this MI remote, you do get this kind of option of clicking this add remote as well. And in case if you're wondering what launcher I'm using, this is the iOS launcher, so which I did a video on that one as well, how to use and everything. Try to check that video, and links in description for the playlist as well for the Poco X3 playlist. So once if you want to add, just click on the add remote, and now you need to select the type of accessory what you want to add as a Higher Blaster. So in my testing I'll be choosing this air conditioning, and now most of the popular brands will be appearing on the top only, as you can see. Just in case if you don't get any name, try to search and you will find one name as well. So once you find your name, try to select the Panasonic as a aircon, as you can see right now. So now you need to point exactly to the air condition. So now let me try to demonstrate you clearly. As you can see here friends, right now there's a aircon, and I did switch on the air conditioner as well. So now let me try to press this button. So sometimes for the first button only it will work, and sometimes it doesn't work for the first button. So let me try to do it again. As you can see, I can see the blue light blinked here, and the air conditioner got on as well. As you can see friends, with the first button only it did got on, so that's a good thing. And now you need to select does the device respond. Yes, it did respond, so I'll clicking the select as well, yes as well. And now it will ask you to turn off the air condition. So now just observe friends. As you can see, even the on and off both buttons are working perfectly. Now it will try to configure everything. As you can see, now I can select the which room I'm using, and I did select the living room. So right now that's it. And this is a way you can actually add the air conditioning, and you can turn on the aircon using the Poco X3 device. That's a very good advantage and the most useful feature in the Poco X3 for me friends. And the inbuilt this MI remote, which has got all the options which are available, same thing in my remote as well. So that's a very good advantage. I can change the speed, direction, swing and temperatures, increasing and decreasing as well. That's a very good advantage friends, using this MI remote app in the Poco X3 device. So definitely this is a way you can add actually in the MI Poco X3 phone. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description for iOS launcher what I'm using currently in my video, so which is very good as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.